Hello, welcome to all of here. Today we are going to learn some parts of the grammar, basic topics of the grammar. Basically, most of the students are very weak in this structure form of the English structures, and we have to learn these structures with the basic grammars. For all the classes of 8th, 9th and 10th, the basic topics I have brought to you here. The first topic of this grammar is parts of speech. So you will see here the title of this topic, parts of the speech, because generally when we learn some of the words from the English, when we collect the vocabulary, we are confused which words, which specific words we have to use for the construction, their meanings, how they change their meanings, because we do not know the basic of these words or vocabulary. So students, we shall learn this topic very well with the basic topic of the parts of speech here. Look here on the board, I have written here the parts of the speech. Actually the definition is also there. What is meant by the parts of speech? Anyone else? Please think and try to guess what is meant by the parts of speech. Okay, so I have written here the definition of the parts of speech also. Noticing the function of the words with reference, 8 groups of words are formed. They are called parts of speech. Means basically we see various words, as we also use in Marathi various words, the same word with the different meanings at the different situations. Like that, the same one is there in the English also. So whatever the words we use or collect, they refer to the different things and situations. So definition clarifies the parts of speech means what. Here, noticing the function of the word means same word can function differently in the different sentences. In the same sense, I have given you one example also. Same word is used in the different sentences and it is classified into different categories. So function of the word is the key. With the function and the reference, we can classify the same word into different categories or classes. These categories or classes are called the parts of speech. See one example I have given you. The example of given here, fast. First know this one and then we shall learn the types. So the same word is that fast. I have written here 4 times the word fast. What are the meanings of the fast are there? You will get the exact idea. Some people fast on Saturday. Here fast means verb. Without anything eating, the day is past there. This is called fasting. He is on the fast. Means some people fast on particular day. Some people fast on the Saturday. For for the different gods, we have given the days. Here he is a fast runner, and the next example, he runs fast. So everywhere you will see the same word, same spelling, same pronunciation, but the same word is classified differently. Because in the first sentence, some people fast on Saturday. I shall tell you the Marathi meaning also. Fast म्हणजे उपवास करणे. Some people fast on Saturday. काही लोक शनिवारी उपवास करतात. He is on fast today. त्याचा आज उपवास आहे. He is a fast runner. तो वेगवान धावपटू आहे. He runs fast. तो वेगाने धावतो. धावण्याची क्रिया कशी होते? The action is described. Here the word runner is described. So when the action is described, the word is called adverb, and when the noun is described, it is called adjective. Like that, the same word is classified into 4 categories. That is why I have written the definition. The function of the word is very important. The function of the word is very important, and with the function and the reference, we can classify the different words into 8 categories, 8 groups of the words. They are called parts of speech. How many types of parts of speech are there? You will see clearly. I have written the numbers and the names of these categories. The first one is noun, second the pronoun, the third adjective, fourth verb, five adverb, six preposition, seven conjunction, and eight interjection. Just these are the names I have given here. Again I am going to give you all the definitions of all these parts. So eight parts are there, definition of each part and their examples are going to be taught to you. So first notice the definition, how the word is classified into eight groups. So basically we see here one example. Once again you can overlook here. The same word, same spelling and same pronunciation, but the word is classified into verb, noun, adjective and adverb. So in the first sentence it functions as the noun. In the second, it is first in the first sentence it functions as the verb. In the second sentence it functions as the noun, and in the third it is adjective, and fourth one is adverb. Now you will get all the details of these nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, preposition, conjunction and interjection, how they are classified. So let us come to the first type, that is first one is the noun. What is meant by the noun? Name of any person, place, article, any idea or any thought is called the noun. So this definition is not sufficient. If you see the types and their different examples, you will get the clear idea of the definition. Name of any person, any place, any article, any idea or thought. This is somewhat confusion is there. So come to the types. All these types together are called the noun. So the first type of the noun is that proper noun. Generally our names, the name that is given to every person, the name that is given to every place. Especially I have written 2 examples, you can add many more. The proper noun, Kolhapur, Vijay, like that you can add your own name, your friends' names, places, and particularly we can say the names that are given to any single thing or any person is called the proper noun. So it is given purposefully. Why? To notice the particular person or place the name is given to itself is called the proper noun, and that is limited to that person or thing. The second, common noun, river and flower. I have given 2 examples. Now I shall define or explain the difference between the proper and common noun. Suppose if we say that the river, in the world many more rivers are there, but when we say that Panchaganga, we come to here in our district Kolhapur. The special, the Panchaganga is the specific name given to that river. That is why the Panchaganga becomes in the form of proper noun and river is the common noun. So same way flower is the common noun. So if we say any man is the common noun, but where every person is given a specific noun name, this name is called the proper noun. So the difference between common and proper noun you will understand very well by collecting many more examples. When we generally speak of anything of all that kind in the world is known as the common noun. When the specific person or name is given to that thing or a person, this noun becomes the proper one. Then the third, collective noun. Collective, that is collection. You will get the idea. Means when we pronounce any noun and that noun gives the idea of any group. Actually the group comes before our eyes. See, the class means what actually? Class means some students, teacher, and this mob is called the class. Family, suppose if I am here standing single person, you may not say or you will never say that this is the family. Family means at least more than 2 people are together. They mention, when we mention or when we say that family, the idea of any group comes before our eyes. That is why it is a collective noun. So see the difference. Common noun means anything in the world of all the kinds of things of that type are together called with the common noun, but the specific name is given to every person, thing or place is called proper noun. And here collective means actually a mob of the group comes before our eyes after pronouncing this word. Then material noun. Now material, you know, the many more materials are there. You are also sitting on the bench. These benches are all the materials. But material means what actually? I shall give you the clear cut definition. These are the examples are there, gold and iron, some examples are there. But basically the things that cannot be counted in numbers. But when we make the different things of them, and these things can be counted. Suppose if we say the benches are made there. How many benches are there? 15 benches are there. They are made of the wood and iron. But wood and iron cannot be counted in numbers. 1 iron, 2 iron, 3 iron, like that. Gold is also same one is there. We cannot say 1 gold, 2 gold, 3 gold. But to measure these materials, we need units behind them. So in case of the gold, we can say 1 gram, 2 gram, 10 gram, like that. Iron maybe in kg, 1 kg, 2 kg, 3. Means when we use the units to measure them behind them, these materials, and from these original materials, many more things or articles are made. Such names of the materials are called material noun. And next one is the last noun is the abstract noun. So see, abstract means actually invisible. How? Suppose if I simple example I shall give you. If I pour out the air from my mouth, we can feel the air here, but actually we cannot see or touch it. Such a things that cannot be seen or touched, but we can visualize them, we can experience them. Such a names of the things are called abstract noun. Means actually these 5 types of nouns together complete the definition of nouns. I have written clearly name of any person, place, article, any thought or idea are these called the nouns. So there are 5 types of nouns. You can it is for your self study, you can collect many more examples of these nouns and classify them into 5 categories. When you collect the names of the various things, places, materials, collections, or maybe ideas or thoughts, they cannot be seen or they cannot be touched by ourselves, but only with our imagination we can visualize them, we can experience them. These such nouns you can classify into 5 categories. So these are the types of the nouns. So about the after the noun, the second topic comes there, pronoun. Actually you may have learned many more times the only first type of it. What is meant by the pronoun? The word used instead of noun is called the pronoun. The word used instead of noun is called a pronoun. Again there are types of that. So the first type you may have seen many times. You have used in your English for sentence construction. The first type is personal pronoun. So personal pronouns are examples are there. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. They are the personal pronouns. When we speak of ourselves, singly I can say I. Many are there. For many people we use we, means when we talk about ourselves, this is first person. I and we, first person. When we talk to others, this is called second person. And when 2 persons talk about the third one, means if we both are talking about the third person, he, she, it, they are called the third person. Means first person we can say I and we, you second person, he, she, it, they are all third person. So proper noun, that is the first type, personal pronoun. The second type, interrogative pronouns, means the pronouns which are used to ask the interrogation, that is the question. You can see here what, who, when, which, whose, how. So many more are there. Means these are the pronouns are used to ask the question, to put the question, and that is the second type is there. You will see the next third type there. That is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative. Demonstrate means to show. These words are specially used. Only 4 examples are there. They are used to show something. This is the example. Okay. If I want to show something on distant, that. Now this, those. So see the classification. This and these are two used to show the things that are very near, very close. So close things, we can say near things are shown with this one. Next, that and those. That is singular, those are plural. In the same way, this is single and these are the plural. Means when one thing is there very near, we use this. When many things are very near, we use this. And that and those are the same cases are there to show you the things on the distant. Means these 4 pronouns are used to show something. That is why they are called demonstrative. Then indefinite. Means we cannot say exactly. See, they are indefinite. All, one, many, nothing, something, anyone, etc. Means we use them in the place of the noun, but exactly cannot be explained or defined. How many are there? Who are there? All, one, many, nothing. They are indefinite pronouns. Then relative pronouns. Means who, whose, which, that, what, whatever. I shall give you example here how they become in relations with. See example. I chose the pen. Now see, this is the noun. I chose the pen that was gifted by grandpa. See here relation, you will see here that is the relative pronoun. How? Because in the first sentence I chose the pen. Pen is the noun, and in place of this noun, the another word is used, that is that. The word that is used, and that's why it is pronoun. So definition is there. The word that used instead of the noun is called pronoun. Now this pronoun has become the relative. Why? Because the word pen is replaced by that, and that is why these words are used as in the relation of the noun that comes in the previous sentence, and that is why they become the relative pronouns. Then the third topic is there of this next topic, the adjectives. The adjectives, the words that describe noun is called adjective. The word that describes the noun is called adjective. So in this classification of the words, 8 groups are there. The third group is there, adjective. What function is done by the adjective? That is to describe something. How the thing is there, how the person is there. Suppose if we take an example, I met a man. Rather than if I say I met a kind man, means how was the man was there? How was the man? I met a poor man. So man is described. In the same sense, you can describe the many things. Means when the things are described by some words, they are called adjectives. There are types of adjectives are there. You can see here the adjective of quality, kind, poor, fine, good, etc. Adjective of number, that is only the information is given in the form of the number, but there are 2 types of numbers are there, that is cardinal and ordinal. Cardinal 1, 2, 3. We can say I have 3 pens. I have 12 notebooks, like that. Then ordinals, first, second, third, fourth. Next category is there. Then number 3, adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity means exactly the information is given in the form of quantity, which is uncountable. 1, 2, 3 is not there. Much, some, many, little, few. I need liter water means quantity of water is given there, but not exactly in measure. A liter water, that is, we can say much, some, many, little, few. Then interrogative adjective. So some words are used, we can say the WH words, they are used to ask the question. They are called interrogative adjective. Whose, which, what, etc. And next, demonstrative adjective. Now you will be confused with these examples, this, that, these and those, because before some time I told you the same examples here. This, that, these and those are the demonstrative nouns also. They are called demonstrative pronoun. Here examples are there. So same examples are there. How they become the nouns, pronouns and adjective, this is the confusion. I shall tell you. This, that, these, those are classified as also the demonstrative pronouns and also adjectives. How? You will notice the difference here. Look here. This is a flower. Now see the difference. This is a flower. Now I shall take you here. Demonstrative pronoun. Same word is here as adjective also. What is the difference between this one? You will see. Means exactly when we say show something with these words, this, that, these, those, they are demonstrative pronouns. They are used only to demo, to show something. But here the specific use is there. This flower, this is a flower, generally we say this is a flower. But when I say that this flower, means this flower is exactly described, means particular flower is there. This is made special one. That is why this flower is fine. Means I am talking about the particular thing. Suppose if I say this is a pen. In the next example, if I say this pen is very costly. Means now in the second sentence I am talking about the particular pen, not any other pen. That is why this is made the special something, and that is why this is the difference. When this, that, these, those are used before the noun exactly, and this noun is made the specific thing, then this is called the adjective. So this is a flower, this is just to show something, and this makes the something special. So about the specific thing, this is a pen, and when I say this pen I like most, means I am talking about only this pen, not yours, others, anything. And that is why, so notice the one thing once again. In the beginning I have given you the definition. The words are classified with their function and the reference. Means the same words are there, examples are there, but when they do the function of only noticing something, denoting something, showing something, they are called pronouns. And when they give the specific thing, so some information about the specific thing, they are called adjective. So such a topics are there. So I think we have covered the 3 types of the parts of speech right now. In the next lecture I shall surely complete the remaining topic, and I shall give you the some exercise also.